Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need Waze installed and iOS updated. This avoids app compatibility issues. Open shortcuts and give it location permission so actions can hand off coordinates. Once done, create a new shortcut. Add an action to accept text or a contact and convert it to coordinates. Then add a URL action using the Waze scheme Waze / LL equals lat, LON and navigate equals yes. This starts the automation that will launch Waze directly when you run the shortcut. Now build the middle steps that actually pass addresses into Waze. Use get details of contacts or get directions from maps to extract latitude and longitude, then insert those variables into a text action formatted with Waze / LL equals lat, LON and navigate equals yes. Add an open URLs action to launch that URL. Once assembled, run the shortcut with a real address to verify Waze opens and begins navigation. Make sure variables map correctly to LAT and LON. Finalize by naming the shortcut clearly and add it to your home screen for one-tap access, or record a Siri phrase so you can say the phrase and launch Waze hands-free. If you want link handling, enable the shortcut in the share sheet so addresses can be sent to it from other apps. If something goes wrong, make sure the Waze / URL is exact, location permission is granted, and Waze is up to date. Resetting the shortcut or reinstalling Waze usually resolves edge case failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.